With these setbacks, we must regroup and renew our party. Renewal is not about discarding people who have given their lives to the movement. It is not about throwing out our party elders and stalwarts. Renewal must involve looking at where we went wrong and correcting the problems. In all of this, we must put the interest of our party and our country ahead of our personal ambitions. Renewal is harnessing the best of our comrades, old and young, to propel our party forward and to contribute to Jamaica's growth and development. I have always supported renewal. In fact, many of the loudest voices for renewal were brought in by me. I will not allow the PNP to be destroyed by those who have not taken the time to learn its best traditions and principles. I have given over 40 years of service to this noble movement. I will never lay down or sit back or lie back and allow this noble movement to be destroyed at any time. I will never support those who continue to bring the party into disrepute by taking our business into the public space. PNP business usually reside within the walls of the PNP. From Norman Manley to Michael Manley to PJ Patterson, nobody's going to get away with it now under Portia Simpson Miller's leadership. DK, when you were General Secretary, we had challenges, but it was never out there. We dealt with it within the walls of People's National Party headquarters and within the People's National Party. Some persons feel that when they don't get away, they must mash up everything. Well, to those, let me say, you will not find comfort in the People's National Party. There are important lessons to learn from our loss and the events of this period. The first one is the need to renew our faith, trust and relationship in the Jamaican people. We must never lose sight of our mission to build a better Jamaica for this generation and for generations to come. To advance the national mission, we will regroup and prepare for the local government elections. I want to declare in a clear and unequivocal way that the priority political program for the People's National Party is the local government victory project.